everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are experimenting on my gel press and printing tissue paper. And we're going to use this tissue paper for upstyling candles and in art journals and all kinds of things. It's a really great project, and I think you're gonna love it. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's print on tissue paper. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and deco art and everything I used for this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I will see you next week. Bye.